Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make another amazing dinner recipe. Now we're going to make some cauliflower wings and some quinoa and some vegetables, right? Alright, so for the cauliflower wings, for the seasonings, you're going to need some celery salt, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, chili pepper, cumin, and some white pepper. Now you can just cut the broccoli in whatever size you like. So you can cut them as big as this because you want them to mimic how a chicken nugget would look, or a chicken wing. Yeah, so you can do them like that. You want to wash them too. I soak mine in salt water, or you can do it in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Alright, we're going to put some of the dry rub on the cauliflower. Just season them a little. Just make sure so everybody gets a little bit of it, right? And we want to leave some of the dry rub for the butter, right? We're going to add some apple cider vinegar, like about 2 teaspoons, and some sriracha sauce. You can let it marinate for like 20 minutes. So we're going to blanch the string bean and the carrots. You just want them to be bright in color. After this, you just wash them under some cold water to stop the cooking process. Because I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I want to butter and garlic these at the end or something, but I have planned for these. Alright, so guys, we're going to saute some seasoning and herb. We've got the herb of choice is bay leaf, and cumin. That's a lot. Half teaspoon or a little less. So when the fragrance starts to release from those, I want you to add garlic and scallion, a few thyme, and our coconut milk. Guys, I'd washed the quinoa, so you're going to add some salt for flavor. Alright guys, adding the dry rub now to the flour. I added to this flour and cornstarch, like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We want the batter to be like a pancake consistency. Taste your butter, and if you want more seasoning, you can just add it at this time. Because remember, whatever you fry in the butter, it will take on the taste of whatever flavor it has. Yes, I think this is okay now for me. Okay guys, I want your oil to be anywhere between 200 degrees because we're gonna fry it. We don't want to burn them up. Yes guys, our quinoa is finished cooked, so we're just going to fluff it up on top and leave it right there until we're ready for it, right? Guys, we're going to add some vegan butter, string bean and carrot, with some garlic powder. You can add fresh garlic if you like. Alright guys, so there you have it, our vegetables, which include the carrot and the string bean, or quinoa over here, and our fried wings over here. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Until next time, bye.